A few months ago, I was excited to build a WhatsApp AI agent for my business, and I built it connecting AI agents through N8N directly with the WhatsApp Business API on Meta, and it was working just fine until, guess what, my Meta developer account got banned. And then I was frustrated at first, and then I later realized that it was something to learn from. Okay, and it gave me so much more experience in building the current WhatsApp AI agents I have right now for my business. And so in this video, I'll be taking you through exactly what happened, what went wrong, and what you can avoid as a business owner when building out your AI agents on WhatsApp. And the right way to build WhatsApp AI sales agents for your business without putting your account at risk or without getting your account banned, so that you don't go down the rabbit hole of losing the time it will take to acquire more clients and follow up on leads, struggling to reactivate your WhatsApp account or your Meta API account, just like what happened. This video will show you practically how, as a business owner, you can use WhatsApp to leverage client acquisition and to increase your sales, basically by setting up AI agents on WhatsApp for your business that will communicate with your clients or communicate with your leads and increase your sales and book these inquiries into automatic sales appointments to grow your sales. Like I said earlier, I integrated WhatsApp on N8N via the Meta WhatsApp Business API without going into too many technical details. And when I did that, it was working at first. But what was the problem? Meta has a lot of, when I say Meta, I mean the combination of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Because it started with Facebook, of course, then they acquired Instagram, then acquired WhatsApp. Meta, okay, that's the group name. So Meta has a lot of strict policies when it comes to developer accounts and all of that. And most of the time, your account will get banned. I've seen other developers, AI developers, that say the same thing, okay? You integrate directly on N8N with the WhatsApp node on N8N, and then it works at first. Before you know it, your account gets banned. What's the problem? Now, remember that you set up this AI agent to interact with your clients, meaning that, for example, you're running leads from a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad or even a WhatsApp ad to this WhatsApp sales agent, meaning that when they click on the ad, it connects them directly with your WhatsApp sales agent. And when they ask questions, the agent qualifies them and books them into sales appointments so that you can go ahead and close down the line, book them into sales appointments on your calendar, right? What happens when your account gets blocked? None of that will happen. And if you were running ads and you're not aware on time, it's a big problem. For me, the issue was Meta said I had duplicate webhook, okay? And before I could fix that, it was already banned. And then I tell you, the experience was a nightmare, and that's why I'm sharing this video so that you could avoid all of that, okay? If you're a business owner trying to set this up, okay? It was a nightmare because we kept on going back and forth. It's horrible that, I think it's terrible, yeah, that even though Meta didn't want to restore my developer account, they didn't come out straight and tell me that, okay? Till now, you wouldn't believe it, but it's like we're still communicating on that thing, and that has been several months, okay? For several months, we are communicating back and forth, okay? And they kept on saying, send the screenshot, send this, send that. I kept on sending, and it wasn't reactivated, okay? Even when they would tell me, okay, go back to the developer account, go and reactivate it, same error kept on showing, like, incessantly. Meta rarely restores developer account that has been blocked, and most of the time, your account could get blocked, so it's better to avoid it altogether. So let's look at the lessons I learned through this time and energy and resource wasting experience. First is that Meta API is not beginner friendly, it's not business owner friendly, and even if you're a developer, without sufficient experience using the Meta API, your account could just get banned. There are a lot of compliance issues, strict policies, and so forth. So it's really not the best way to build. It may be a cheaper way to build, yes, much more inexpensive, but however, the probability of the account getting banned is very high, and that's going to take you time, energy, which even cost you money, okay? Even more money than you would have saved building the Meta API. The second lesson I learned was that the best option is to build with BSPs. What are BSPs? They are approved WhatsApp business service providers. They help you connect with the Meta API, but without you directly connecting from your own Meta developer account or Facebook developer account, which makes it more seamless because they handle all the compliance issues and the background issues. Yes, you still need to do some technical work connecting with the BSP, the business service provider. However, that is very straightforward for you. They sort it out with Meta, provide them the information they want, and of course pay them the bucks and all of that. There are several WhatsApp official business service providers. Quick warning, okay? You do not want to go and connect with an unofficial WhatsApp business service provider, okay? Because just as there are official BSPs, there are also unofficial BSPs in code. They're not really BSPs anyway, but they're unofficial, okay? And when they're unofficial, they're more like illegal, so they can get banned anytime. So if you're building, they are much more cheaper, okay, than using the official BSPs. However, if you make the mistake of building with any of them, you could also get banned at any time. When your AI agent cannot work, you'll be losing the ability to respond fast to clients, answer questions, qualify them, book your leads into your calendar seamlessly, and grow your sales. All of that will not be possible. So let's mention a few of the official ones. On your own, you could also do your research. If you want us to build for you, we will always connect your AI agent with an official BSP. There's Twilio. Twilio is an official BSP and is very popular with developers, and it integrates with a lot of CRMs. What are CRMs? Customer relationship management tools or software, and it works very fine. It may be a little bit pricey for some people, but it's fine all the same. Another very good one is GovShop. GovShop is very popular in both the Indian markets and African markets. It has a lot of good support for the African market, okay, in case you're in Africa. It's very good with conversational AI. If you're going to be conversing with people a lot, then GovShop is actually a very good choice too. 360 Dialogue is also very popular, and it's very good for integrating directly with many marketing automation tools. Good choice if you want to be integrating your AI agent with marketing automation tools. Then there is InfoBeep. It's an enterprise level for much bigger businesses, enterprise level software, and it's good for businesses that really want global reach and all of that. Then you have MessageBird. If you want to have omni-channel communication, different channels, okay, across WhatsApp and SMS, MessageBird is fine. The last one I'll mention for today is Wati. It's built for WhatsApp automation, business friendly, but I would say not too good for conversational AI, but it still has its uses, specifically for WhatsApp automation, and it's much more rule based than conversational based. Business owners should focus more on the strategy. What are you building this AI agent for? An AI agent is not just a chatbot, okay? It's very versatile, okay? And a WhatsApp AI agent is very important for any business that wants to improve their sales. This AI agent, much more than a chatbot, it can qualify leads, it can book appointments, it can answer FAQs, meaning frequently asked questions about your particular business. It can collect their details and information, meaning it can collect the client's phone number, their email, their type of business, and some other, very important information and all of that, and put it into spreadsheets for you, okay, so that you have like an automatically generated lead list that you could use in following up with this client, or a lead database for your business. When I talk about booking appointments, this AI agent can go ahead and book appointments directly into your Google Calendar or any other calendar app, so that you will be able to just directly check your calendar. Here's the framework I use to build out AI agents on WhatsApp for my clients and for my business. The first step is to start with strategy, like I mentioned earlier, not just the tools, okay? What do you want this WhatsApp AI agent to do for you? You want it to capture leads, meaning you want it to capture leads from your ads, your business ads you're running, okay? It captures the leads, get their phone number, their information, and all of that. Or do you want it to nurture your already existing customers, updating them with updates, offers, and all of that? Okay, we have this offer, we have this offer already to encourage them to buy more. Or do you want it to do cold outreach for you, sending out WhatsApp chats and DMs to people to encourage them to buy your product, tell them about your offer? The function you want this WhatsApp AI agent to perform for your business will determine how we structure the conversation. The second step I do in this framework is to choose the right business service provider. If we want something like conversational AI, we want it to converse more, we may take GoShop or Twilio or 360 Dialogue. If we want something that is much more automated, just following some guidelines and some rules, we may take Wati. Third step here is to design intelligent conversations. This is where a lot of businesses get it wrong. I go on a lot of websites and I just see automatic chatbots. You just know that these things are not like humans, like they are so robotic. A chat agent or a WhatsApp AI sales agent is not supposed to be like that. To make it more conversational and more intelligent, you need to train it on your FAQs, frequently asked questions, on your offers, on your pricing, and even on how to handle client objections, okay? If a client complains, what does the AI agent say to calm them down and to encourage them to book a call? The client is asking how much is the service, okay? The AI agent should not just answer with a number, but it should qualify them. Are they really interested in this service? Because you may give someone a price and they may just zoom off, okay? But if you find out what's your budget, do they really need this service? Do they have a budget for it, or do they have a monthly sales target? What kind of business they are in? And then, having qualified them, collect their information, okay, and encourages them to book a call with a sales consultant that can provide all the information they need and lead them on what is best for their business. That's an intelligent conversation, human-like conversation that a real human being can carry out. But with this WhatsApp agent, remember that you're operating at scale. What the WhatsApp AI agent can reply to 100 customers all at the same time, 250 conversations all at the same time, and respond to them automatically, okay? So that it's hands free for you while you focus on some other aspects of business. And all you have to do when the appointments are booked with the qualified prospects is you pick up the phone and you go close the sales. Okay, and then the fourth step here is to integrate it and connect it with your business system. The WhatsApp AI agent will not just operate in isolation. You need data, right? So we will integrate it into CRMs to be like HubSpot or Zoho, or if you're starting small and you want a CRM that is completely free, what can act as a CRM tool, okay, that is completely free? We could use even Google Sheets because it will list out the client name, maybe depending on what you want, it could list out their business type, their phone number, their email, as much information as you think, okay, is important, okay? And then also, you will also integrate it into things like your Google Calendar or Calendly so that you can book appointments directly there for you. Step 5 is to automate follow-up. Most businesses lose sales because they don't respond quickly enough. But with your WhatsApp sales AI agent, all you need to do is run ads. For example, your lead makes inquiries, okay, clicks on the ad, is directed to the WhatsApp agent, and immediately, of course, they'll be asking questions like, what's your service all about? We're interested in your service. And they get an immediate and instant response. And then for the follow-up part, if the client ends up not responding, the AI agent could simply the next day send them back a follow-up reminder, a message to remind them about the conversation. They can remind them about the appointment that has been booked, okay, so that they show up for that appointment and they don't miss that appointment. So that when you call them, they're already expecting your call. And no human being can do that at scale. When we mean scale, we mean like do that across like 200 people, 1,000 people. No human can do that scale, but AI can, artificial intelligence can, and that's why you are getting a WhatsApp sales AI agent for your business. And then the final step here is to track, analyze, and improve. We check metrics like conversion rates, okay, where does the conversation flow faster? Is there a place where clients seem to drop off? And then train the AI, okay, improve their prompts, train them more intensively on, based on the results we are seeing on the conversations between the AI agents and the leads or the clients, so that the AI agents get smarter over time. That's the difference between an intelligent AI agent and a chatbot that's just wasting time and just answering generic questions and cannot really converse, okay, with the client. This is an automation system that actually builds your business and grows your sales in real time. And so if you're a business owner that actually wants a WhatsApp AI agent that can drive sales for your business without all the technical issues and headaches, okay, just reach out to me and we will build it the right way for your business. If you've gotten any value at all whatsoever from this video, don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe, okay? And check if you're subscribed or not, please. And because I will be sharing valuable insights on how to build AI automation systems that will drive your sales higher, increase your business, and make you go much more faster on this channel. And so it's a wrap. Until I come your way next time, be great right where you are, doing great things with God's help, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.